Well, the CP24 Chum Christmas Wish over here is back for another year. The annual campaign helps GTA families in need this holiday season. Joining us live here on the couch, of course, is Vaughan's new mayor, Stephen Del Duca. Good to see you, Mr. Mayor, your worship. Tony Romanelli from RCC Media and his daughter Kate are here as well. Great to have all of you here as well. So let's get into it. I'll start with you, though, Mayor Del Duca, because, of course, we kind of kicked things off about a month ago with your predecessor, Mauricio Bevilacqua. And Vaughan always gets so involved in the CP24 Chum Christmas Wish. What's it been like this year? And what's the contribution today?
Yeah, so first of all, it's 13 years now, and it was my predecessor, my good friend, our good friend, Mauricio Bevilacqua, who sort of launched this a number of years ago. This is something that was near and dear to his heart and near and dear to the heart of people living and working in Vaughan. So 13 years, it's been over 140,000 gifts that have been donated through that time, over $120,000 from our Spirit of Generosity initiative, again, started by Mauricio. And today we're here not just to talk about the toy drive generally, but to celebrate the donation that Tony Romanelli and Kate and RCC Media have made, a tractor trailer load of toys, over $100,000 in value to make, again, that commitment Tony made to Mauricio, that he's continuing with to be our biggest donors. And I just wanted to be here to say thank you to Tony for leading with his heart.
Absolutely. Tony, I mean, that's amazing. You've been doing this for 6 years now. How do you keep doing it? How do you keep doing it to this level?
Well, it's tough, and then next I have a bunch of businesses that support me, and a lot of good people that help to do those businesses do well. So, you know, sometimes some people give financially, and some people give their time. Someone's going to pack this stuff. My daughter asks me that all the time, like, oh, I hope I can do this one day. So listen, whether it's money or time, it's the same thing, right?
Absolutely, that's so true.
It takes a lot to do these type of programs.
Yeah, there's a lot of different elements to charity, absolutely, and the time and the packing, all that, absolutely. Kate, you're sitting here with a very adorable stuffy on here. Tell us about this and the connection to the wish as well.
So I created this myself. I started my own business like back in 2020, so middle of pandemic.
Right.
And so this year, me and my dad, we plan to give away like some of the plushies that I created because I really enjoy doing it, and I hope I can carry on the tradition.
Right, that's really nice. So you're sort of learning from your father here as well.
Yeah, we've been doing this for 6 years together, so it's been a little team effort.
What's the name of this doll, and where can we find them?
Well, his name's Winston the Bear, and you can find him at katiescutesies.ca.
Right, okay, that's amazing. So what does that feel like, Tony, the fact that, you know, your daughter has sort of picked up on this sort of charitable bent that you clearly have?
Well, this is a trifecta, you know what I mean? Like, number one, that she's in business like your dad, that's cool. And then, you know, she's creating stuffies because we've been doing this for 6 years, so toys and this type of thing, charitable and making toys. So it's like it's all come together nicely, not by design. Yeah,
exactly. It must feel pretty good, Mayor, that you've got residents like this in Vaughan to sort of help, you know, show the generosity of your community.
It's a phenomenal example that Tony and Kate and their family and the entire RCC team have brought forward. Well, we're down to the last few days of the toy drive. December 9th is the deadline.
TikTok.
TikTok. So at Vaughan City Hall, fire halls, libraries, community centers, people can donate. This is such a special time of year, and in particular after the last couple of years that have been so tough, we want to make this special for kids and families in need. So I urge people, please, as Tony and Kate are doing, please give generously. Help support the toy drive.
Well, listen, thank you very much for your donation. Thank you for being here, all three of you. Great to talk to all of you, and let's keep it going. We'll see what happens next year as well. Anyway, have a great Christmas to all of you. Thank you so much.